We've got to hurry. My train leaves in half an hour.
We know, Uncle Fax, but you keep adding stuff. Do you really need 10 shirts?
You'll only be gone for one day.
They say that the thing you leave behind is the thing you'll need the most. Where is Oma? She should have been here by now. Hurry, boys! There's only 20 minutes left. Hurry, hurry!
Aren't you ready yet? I thought you'd be waiting outside.
I'd hate to think how much Uncle Fax would pack if he went away for 2 days.
Here, let a pro take care of that. Voila!
Okay, finally got it packed.
Thank goodness we made it on time. Got my suitcase. I've got my ticket. Uh-oh. Where's my ticket?
Oh, really, Fax? How could you forget your ticket of all things?
Now I remember. I put it on the table near my bed so that I'd remember it. Oh, no. I'll miss my train.
Don't worry, Uncle. We'll get your ticket.
Yeah, we still have 10 minutes.
Let's go for it! Ha ha! Hey, bro! You got a rug on your head. Makes you look years younger. Whoa!
Excuse me, miss. Have you seen my brother Fix?
Hey, dudes. How's it going? That's my dog, No Name. I'm taking him to the vet.
What's wrong with him?
Fleas. Millions of them.
Hey, where'd you two come from?
We, just dropped in. Where are you guys headed?
We gotta make a withdrawal at the bank.
Well, but today is Sunday. Isn't the bank closed today?
Oh, no! Not again! Whew, it was closed last Sunday, too.
Say, would you two geniuses mind dropping us off at our house?
You both look very relaxed. I see it doesn't bother you that I missed my train.
You didn't miss your train.
What do you mean I didn't miss my train? It left 10 minutes ago.
That wasn't your train!
Look, Uncle Fax. Look at the date on this ticket. It's tomorrow. You're a day early.
No way! Well, how do you like that? I am a day early. Great! Now we can use the time to pack all the things I've forgotten.
Oh. My Kiki.
Oh, no! Phew. Now I wonder where those boys have got to.
I told you I was a superior swimmer.
Lupo thought we were going to the moon. Beam me up, Foxy!
I just lost a flipper! No, really, guys?
Well, since you're the best swimmer, you better dive down and find it then.
What? Wow! No.
Life is so peaceful without Lupo around.
You've got to help, quick! There's a giant oyster down there and it stole my flipper! Come on, guys! Scout's honor! Will I lie?
Okay, then. Let's go find this oyster. Now that's an ornery oyster.
What?
Let's go for it!
Listen, how are we going to open this thing?
Try tickling it. I thought you said the oyster had your fin.
You knew the pearl was there, didn't you?
Hey, friends, calm down. Just think how rich we'll be. We'll sell it and split the money.
Huh? Hey! Bring Lupo's tank. We can force the shell open with compressed air.
Good thinking, Fix.
Well, look at that. It must be an egg of some kind.
Look out! Drop the pearl!
A pearl? An egg would have been much more interesting.
Oh.
Come on now. I'll get a picture of you all. Okay, boys.
Cheer up, Lupo. You can always rely on the Fix and Foxy team.
So you'll help me to get it back?
Ooh, no!
I can't see.
But we can help you do a good laugh.
Kiki!
Just wait until you taste this cheese, Professor. I haven't had any this good since I was a... Huh? That's funny. I wonder where it went.
What else should we give him? Potato salad? Or a pickle? Guess he wanted to see for himself.
What I'd really like is another roll. Would you pass the bread basket, Foxy?
Sure.
Huh? No cheese, no bread. I'm starting to smell a rat.
Well, you're getting closer.
What the? It's a mouse!
But Uncle Fax!
We think he's cute.
Cuteness is as cuteness does. I'm not having a mouse in this house, and that's final. Where did I put that mousetrap?
One moment, dear Fax. I happen to have the answer to your problems.
What?
My Robo-Cat.
Your robo what?
Robo-Cat. I've redesigned my cat robot. If you're willing to test run the prototype, it should catch all the mice you want. Here it is, new and improved.
Gee, what big teeth it has.
All the better to catch little mousies. Let us demonstrate.
Whoa! We can't just stand here and let our little pal become a mouse kebab.
Yeah, we've got to save him.
Let's go for it! Yeah! Try to keep it distracted. We've got to figure out a way to shut it down. Weird. It's purring. You think that's weird? Look! There's an apple walking by itself.
Oh no! Watch out, Mousie!
Get ready to grab the mouse. Hurry! He's really heavy.
We've got to hurry. That walking hunk of junk knows the mouse is in here.
Wait, I've got an idea. Oh, no, we're not. Here.
Thanks for lending us RoboCat, Professor. That mouse is gone for good.
Well, you're welcome. I just wish I'd waterproofed him. Oh, well, back to the drawing board.
I don't know about you, but with that mouse gone, I feel like we all earned some ice cream.
Yeah, great idea.
Couldn't agree with you more.
Hi, Kiki.
Eureka! There's gold in our garden!
As if it's really gold.
Of course it's gold! I know gold when I see it! Lucky! Quick! I bet there's lots more where this came from! We're gonna be rich! Come on, Lucky! We've got us some digging to do!
Why am I the only one digging here?
I have a bad back. See anything down there?
Just a bunch of worms. And old Snotty's wind chimes. The ones that used to annoy you.
Can't imagine how they got down there.
Eureka! I found another one!
Me too!
I knew it! I knew it! We're rich!
I wonder what this is all about. Could it be? If it's real, the internet should be able to tell me why it's here.
Find anything, Lucky?
No, Pop. Maybe we should give up before we, obliterate the garden?
Let's just check these last few holes.
Pip, they're starting to get discouraged.
Can't have that, Pep.
Eureka! Told you, Lucky! There's still plenty more to be found!
Papa! Lucky!
Look! Look!
They're all over the place.
All right!
Peppercorn! What are you doing?
Gold, old Snotty! Gold!
And it's buried right here!
Gold? Give me that.
This is the best!
Look at them going crazy! 2 more in here!
Cheaters! Cheaters! Pumpkin eaters! Conman frauds! Imposters! Charlatans! Pretty boy! Pretty boy!
Oops!
Why, you little brats!
You've been planting those coins all along.
Huh? Oh, where'd everybody go?
Got it, Quacker?
Come on, guys!
Can you take a joke?
Some joke when I get my hands on you.
Oh, no, you don't, Snotty! They're my kids! I get to strangle them first!
Look! Look what I just found out! Both our houses were built over an old gold mine.
What? Then maybe there really is gold! Lucky, did you hear that, son? Lucky!
Wow!
Those brats!
This wouldn't have happened if you hadn't both been so greedy.
Yes, we know, Mama!
We'll find him, Mrs. Peppercorn.
If only that bird brain could remember which hole he fell into!
I never thought I'd say this, but I think I'm gonna miss old Lucky.
Yeah. If we don't find him, I get his bike.
I get his skates.
Hey, Pep! Makiki, go get the folks!
Open it up! Hurry, Pep!
Have you found Lucky?
come, folks. One good reason to ground the twins. And one good reason to thank them.
Oh, look! We're rich, Mama! We're rich!
Oh, no, you don't. This antique stuff will just about cover all the damage you peppercorns did to my property.
I can't believe it!
Don't feel bad, Papa. You're still rich.
You've still got us.